Yes, recording has started. Yeah. So hello. Hi everyone. So this is Paralus community meeting of March 12, 2024. So yeah, Paralus has hi everyone. So yeah, basically I follow Paralus code of conduct. Basically boils down to being kind to each other. And yeah, if you would like to have any questions or any topics to discuss, feel free to add them to the meeting agenda. Um, yeah, I'll probably share the link in the chat in some time. Um, yeah, and yeah, you can raise a hand to participate in discussion and can call you in. Uh, Great. So yeah, I think we don't have any new attendees today. So we'll just keep the first thing that is introduction from new attendees, and we'll get directly into discussion topics. Uh, yeah, there is one item that I added. Basically, just a announcement for public that Paralus will be at KubeCon Europe happening, I guess, next week. Uh, so we have the lightning talk scheduled on March 19. I guess it's 5:10 p.m. CET time. Okay. Yeah. If you are if any of you are there, maybe you can join us there, and also you can talk to the speaker, get involved, have in thoughts and discussion. Feel free to uh, discuss with the speaker. Yeah. Yeah, that thing. Yeah. And anything else Andrew would like to add?
No, man, that's good. I think yeah, looking forward for the event next week.
Yeah.
And yeah, do say hi to Arthur, who's also one of the maintainers. So do please get in touch in case if you're around.
Yes. Mm. And yeah, since we do not have like lot many agenda items today, so as we started from last meeting, we want to look into like few open issues which needs triaging. So we can like spend some time on those issues and complete the triaging part so that we could start working on them. Yeah, I'll just open the link here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do not have any like any list, like it's just look like we have like 22 open issues which need triaging. Maybe we can go through one by one and maybe try to cover like
Yeah, yeah.
issues.
Let's do that.
Yeah. Okay.
So I see one tag with 0.2.8, I guess, in the upcoming, and we might, and that seems to be a small one. Let's quickly try that if possible.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I guess that would be the most important one. Mm,
Just check,
Unable to download
and
CLI
then
for now, and it is okay. Yeah, I think oh, think, that there is some interest.
okay, we have someone who's
Correct. So let me just quickly check if we can get
yeah.
that.
Let's go through right so that we can even eventually share that with Paralus.
I have like one instance that I can use maybe that I have been using for some time. Uh, yeah, I think for this we need create a user mostly or like non-admin user.
Non-admin user.
I think I have another user that I created recently. Let me check if I can access that. Basically example.com, and it's a admin
Mm-hmm.
user actually. My edit
Okay.
groups for this organization admins. I remove organization admins for this one. Does it work? Yeah, it works. Great. Let me check if I can make that user or not.
You will probably have to give it some project read-only access or something.
Do I need that
It,
one? Oh, yeah, it is.
yeah, there's like little no access right now. So,
We don't have any. Mm,
we don't have groups. Maybe just assign a project. Yeah,
The
read only should
default
do.
one, that should be okay, right? We don't have any.
That should be fine, I guess,
I think we are just
because it's
we will
just a
be
CLI config,
yeah,
right?
CLI configure, right? MP project create only
That
should be
makes
enough.
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, should be enough.
Okay. Right. Mm, yeah, I'm able to log in. Now download CLI config for tools. What? It's giving 403 error.
Forbidden. Okay, there seems to be some permission issues. Okay.
What what is expected here? Like, are we getting the same error? So I understand.
I guess so.
What is
Don't
the
know
actual
why.
output that we have seen earlier?
User should be able to download the CLI config. So I have not put what was the error, I guess.
Can
But yeah, I think it was this only. So some permission error. Ideally, the expected output should be we should be able to download the CLI config. The project should be the project, one of our projects essentially that the user has access to, uh, and all of that. So every you use PCTL with the CLI config, you should be able to read all the resources, but not create resources.
uh,
That
so it's like
yeah,
adding any
that should
cluster makes sense, or like it won't be
just to check whether we are able to download the CLI config.
yeah,
No, I don't think so. That's not related
not
anyway.
right.
I guess it's a 403, right? Clear cut. So
Yeah,
I
it's
guess.
403 because like
Mm-hmm.
anyway,
So
like
we will
CLI config
probably
won't have
have
the
to.
cluster details and all, right? We'll just
Mm-hmm. Right. So we will probably have to check in the direction of the roles and permissions.
mhm.
Yeah, maybe add this detail. Yeah, the screenshot. We'll just spend a minute just to quickly check if. Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. I
Someone is
guess at least
interested
we are
with
able to reproduce, right?
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hmm. So what I'll do is, yeah, maybe tomorrow or something, I'll just do a quick check on the permissions and share the details with Bharadwaj then.
Yeah,
It's been 2 weeks. Let's hope he's still
yeah.
around. Yeah. Okay. So we are able to reproduce. This is good to go.
Correct, correct. Yeah. Okay. At least to get started, for, for the interested person, like maybe we can ask him to share, like create a Paralus instance for themselves.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
That will be given. At least they can get started with this thing, right? They
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
anyway
yeah.
they need Parallels install locally, right? Maybe can you add a
Yep.
comment like for maybe just to get started, they can set up
Yeah, I'll add that. I'll add that.
maybe
And
we'll
I
ask.
think the problem is with the permission, to the roles and permissions, right? I'm
Mhm.
assuming it just lacks that permission. Let me add a comment, right?
I'll just
Spend a
add,
couple of minutes after this call on that.
we can discuss this in the next call also. Okay. Yeah, it's actually super important.
Mm-hmm.
But at least, yeah, there is, yeah. we will just proceed with like we'll see if he's still around and we can um, share
Yeah,
more
let's
details.
proceed with the next one. We'll share more details.
Uh,
Asynchronous.
Another non-monetary. Okay. So I think last week I think like in the last meeting I was trying to
Hmm.
like uh triage this issue, but I could not
Okay.
see this error. Okay.
Spin up
I
environment using Docker
Yeah.
Compose. Okay.
Like in the Docker Compose app, it is working fine for me. This is the version that I'm
Okay.
using, and this is the latest one. Um,
Okay.
yeah,
It seems to be working fine. Okay.
yeah. Do you want to quickly
All right.
create
Let's
if you have the Docker
wait.
Compose? Okay, there is something. What else?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
We'll check once as well. Yeah.
One more thing is like, are you using uh, is basically using 0.2.3. But
Three. Okay.
you have anything specific for 0.2.3? What's the compose of YAML file? Is the error that a card service Postgres D ports cannot contain an invalid type, should be number or an object. Service Postgres D ports. Service of Postgres D ports. Okay. But yeah, it should be acceptable value. I don't know why. It should be a number, not an object. Mm-hmm. And I guess in the main also we have the same thing, right? Yeah. Not sure, not exactly sure. Like I they got this sort of error. But I just when I tried it, I'm not able to reproduce that one. Okay. If you like, if you say
So let
like,
yeah. We'll try and respond back. Okay, we'll try that. That I guess um, this is just a tech debt item, right?
yes, yeah. We can,
There's
I guess if you are okay, we
yeah,
can remove the need tag for this one, right?
yeah. We can probably just ignore this for today's call.
Right. Yeah.
It's just a tech debt.
Okay. Yeah. Can update this one? It's
Yeah, yeah. You can remove the need right. Yep. This also is something we had in
again.
mind. Okay.
Yeah, it's one of the enhancement that we thought of. Um,
Hmm.
Parallel SDK for its APIs currently plans like TCTL Terraform provider are using Parallel endpoint for interacting with server. However, this is it, so we don't have the SDK. Using SDK will be more easier and accessible to use different Parallel APIs. Okay. Again, it's something. I guess it would be like an enhancement. Um, yeah, at least like do you feel like we should have these parallel SDK or um
Hmm. Where will it be used?
yeah. So it basically like
We can. It's not like yeah. So we can use it in Terraform right now, as you said, right?
Mhm.
Even PCTL for that matter. Uh,
Correct,
we're
correct.
currently using the endpoints, right?
Mhm.
Using the CLI config, I guess
Correct.
Terraform also follows the same approach. We can, but yeah, it's not. We've not seen any request from the
Correct.
community. So, guys, if you feel this is absolutely required, and if you're going through this recording later, please come to this issue and just upvote it, and we will prioritize this.
Sure.
Yeah, we will take it based on our bandwidth once we have all the issues uh, at least the customer community facing issues fixed, we can come to this.
Yeah. I just like I guess we can remove the trash.
Yeah, yeah, we can remove that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Remove it.
Even for this, we can remove. Yep.
Mm.
Mm,
Again,
okay.
this would be an enhancement. And I guess
Yeah.
one more thing is like, would it be nice to have good first tag for this issue? Like, it would not be like good first, but
Need to.
we can
Hmm.
add help wanted. So if anybody
Help wanted. Yeah, help wanted makes sense. Yep, yep, yep.
even for
I
this
don't think it's a very. Yeah, even for this, we can have a help wanted. Yep, yep, makes sense.
interested, they can put help. This one.
Yeah. Option of.
Parallel should provide option to upgrade the agent running on cluster if it's required. I guess yeah, we had discussed around this thing. When Parallels is upgraded to Ledger for the admin also update the relay server, but rarely they update relay agent running on the cluster. One can update relay agent on all cluster manually, but it's not feasible option if there are many cluster input from the Parallels. Parallels provide an option to automatically update. Yeah, it's
Do you think GitOps would just solve this issue in case folks are using, um, I
mhm.
don't know, any tools like Argo or something?
It could, but again, they I don't know how they can like basically upgrade using GitHub Flow. What would be the
Hmm.
flow?
Let's say I'm just thinking. So, someone has imported a bunch of clusters and downloaded the corresponding Bootstrap YAML, which is put in some GitOps tool, which is executed in the target cluster,
Mhm.
right? Now, let's say we. Do you have the Bootstrap YAML somewhere in your
Yeah, I
notebook
can
by any chance?
download that. Maybe I can check that.
Maybe just let's download that.
Is
Do
it
we get the relay agent version as part of the config?
agent version? I guess
Just
yes.
trying to recollect that.
I'll just
Yes, right? Okay,
yeah,
so
yes, because like
just thinking out loud.
you have an important issue in that. I'll just create one.
But yeah, I guess this would be a nice to have feature where you show. Currently, we don't even show, right? We do show the health status as of now, but there is not
Mhm.
nowhere we show an upgrade option,
Mhm.
and nowhere we show which version of the agent is also running. That
Yeah.
information also we don't show right now, I guess. And then there's one other thing which we need to consider: the compatibility between your Parallels core installations and agent. If it ever can, like for example, your core installations are running a certain version of Parallels, but the agent has a upgraded release versions.
Mhm.
Should you go ahead and upgrade just the agent? Question,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Will it work or will it break, or is there something? So that kind of things also we need to take care if we are providing this feature.
Mhm.
um, I would say let's maybe capture all the requirements. This issue has generic requirement, right,
Mhm.
as of now, or maybe we'll try to capture all these details. uh, yeah, let's put this.
One thing is option to display. Um,
The current relay agent version, right,
yeah,
and
and
the ability to
version.
upgrade. I'm presuming nobody would want to downgrade, but what if you upgrade and you observe certain failures and you want to downgrade? That's another thing.
Okay, to upgrade
You
or
current division.
downgrade relay agent. from
Or
controller, right?
essentially. Mm-hmm,
Hmm.
mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. Which basically means controller should be aware of the current version and the available versions
correct.
so
Yeah.
that it can display these options to the user. Okay, this is one. This is one. Um, okay, let's explore the GitOps option, right? If we don't want to, to be honest, this is not a core functionality, right? That
Mhm.
Paralus would care. This
Mhm.
is something that we expect the users to manage. So I'm just thinking if GitOps as a recommended approach would solve this issue, right?
Mhm.
So let's think about that a bit. I've imported 10 clusters. I've downloaded the Bootstrap. Yeah, can you go to the dashboard again? Download the Bootstrap if possible.
Yeah.
Just try to. Okay, you have?
Complexity
All right,
increase.
great.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Yeah,
here
I
it
see.
says relay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the version actually.
Okay. Right. Makes sense. So if you upgrade the version and then obviously allow GitOps to take care of it, you will have an upgraded
Correct. So I guess like
release, right?
upgrading,
Hmm.
like just changing the image version would be enough, or like do we need any additional changes here? I can't see.
As of now, I don't think we would need any additional changes.
Because like that,
The
because we
important
haven't.
part is.
Mhm.
Hmm.
That's because we haven't like
Mm-hmm. Yeah, sorry,
upgraded
God.
the template of the Bootstrap YAML, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Uh, but in future, if you upgrade the template of this, like this Bootstrap YAML template, right,
Mm-hmm.
two different relay servers or relay agent would have different
Mm-hmm.
templates, right? That might have to change. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
My,
Yeah,
my,
yeah, yeah.
my approach would be like, it would be nice if we regenerate this template once again for this particular version, and then ask the user to apply that one, or at least like internally we'll just
Mm-hmm.
apply directly to the cluster.
Okay, so if I am getting that right, let's say we are basically upgrading the Parallels core version, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as part of that, you're saying all the imported clusters, maybe we should have an have a ability to regenerate the Bootstrap YAML for all the imported clusters, and that can be checked into some sort of Git repository, and then something of that sort.
Yeah, that
Is
is
that
one way.
the flow you are
Yeah, that could be
envisioning?
one way. Like
Mm.
the use case would be like
Mm.
while upgrading the controller or the Parallels
Mm.
version,
Mm-hmm.
maybe just
Mm-hmm.
if they want to upgrade release agent also, they can do that. But one another use
Mm-hmm.
case is like for the particular target, the cluster target, if they want to upgrade the release agent for some
Mm-hmm.
for a reason, like for example this one, they have faced some compatibility issues, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Mm, correct, correct,
Yeah. So in that case, they
correct.
might want
So
to.
that's
Yeah. So
yeah.
yeah, it basically I'm thinking just like
Mm,
we have. I don't think we have option to upgrade. I don't think we support day two operations on cluster as of now. But it's like upgrading Kubernetes version of the cluster. Similarly, we can
mm.
have the option to upgrade relay agent running
Do
on.
you think Helm controllers would help? So Flux has this Helm controller, which
Mhm.
using which you can kind of manage your Helm deployments, right?
Mhm.
So for example, right? So even if you want to automate your parallel core upgrades, right?
Mhm.
So as and when we start releasing, or every 2 months we have a release. Let's say someone wants to just automatically upgrade their parallel core and the corresponding versions. They can use this Fluxus Helm controller. They can deploy it in their, the cluster, and essentially that will manage your release upgrades also, which is again optional. You can even opt out because I'm pretty sure nobody would, would blindly want to upgrade. But let's say
Correct.
somebody wants to upgrade in your dev test environment,
Mhm.
and then eventually promote it to your production or something.
Mhm.
So that is one option I feel which can be used. So I'm just thinking whether that can be used for your target clusters, because then the overhead is this Helm controller being deployed in all your target clusters,
Mhm.
and then we are enforcing. folks to start using some sort of git tool, which we are biased with. So yeah, okay.
Mhm. Yeah,
Mm,
that we can be maybe, yeah.
fine.
Therefore,
So
CD.
what we'll do is explore tools like helm controller from FluxCD. But this, yeah, apart from that, we can definitely provide with this option ability to view
Correct.
current
Yeah.
relay agent version,
Mhm.
upgrade, downgrade. What else? Do you think
Um,
anything else we
upgrade,
need?
downgrade, advanced growth
So
of
this upgrade downgrade version. So again, I'm thinking. So what if someone has like 50 odd clusters imported, right?
Mhm.
Should the workflow be like go to every cluster, upgrade the agent, or
Mm,
maybe
yeah,
do a
that
fleet kind of operation that
correct. That
upgrades
won't be like
everywhere?
feasible, right? Again, we
Hmm.
currently do not
Hmm.
support like managing multiple cluster at once. We do not have an option for that.
Hmm. Correct.
It will
Yeah.
work.
Yeah. Yeah.
But again, it could
Yeah.
be,
Yeah.
I guess it could be a separate service altogether to like
Yeah. Yeah. Makes sense.
manage multiple clusters. It's like the bulk
Yeah.
keeping
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
bulk management, right? So there we can have that functionality to upgrade.
Yeah. I guess
Yeah,
we can say that at least to begin with, each cluster will have this option, and then later we can
correct. Like,
expose more services functionalities to. Yeah.
um, mm, this uh, as a notes. So at least we should be aware what we have discussed. Yeah, I think that would be compatibility. There is again, how do we check the compatibility of the agent and the server or other components? That is again there is
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
So
So
do
I guess
I
Helm releases, every release has the set of versions,
mhm.
which, yeah, but I understand the problem.
Oh,
How do we say that if a particular Parallus core version is running, what would be the corresponding
correct. Yeah.
agent version? Right now, we don't maintain that. The only way is like Helm, where we can check what the associated image version.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Good thing is like we haven't seen any issues so far.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Correct.
but
Mm.
for a
So
long time we
generally, they are non-breaking,
Mhm.
right? These, at least the agent communication and all of that, is pretty stable, I would say. So they are mostly non-breaking. But yeah,
Mhm.
I agree. There could be some breaking changes that we might introduce.
Correct.
You may
Yeah.
highlight it, but how do
Yeah.
you how
Correct.
do you communicate the compatibility? Mm.
Yeah. We can like have the discussion there
Yeah,
for the brainstorming if we have that issue to
yeah.
address, right?
At this point, correct. Let's
Yeah, because like
brainstorm. At this point, even I don't have an idea.
yeah. Okay, that's
Documentation, but
add
yeah.
this one. Mm.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It would be nicer to have this one again, but this is not
Hmm. Hmm.
important at the
Yep.
moment. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
Mm.
We'll come back to this once the
Correct.
community issues are fixed. Yep.
Yeah, correct.
Help wanted, maybe.
Yeah, maybe we can have the help wanted, but again, I don't know. Do we have any like the clear cut picture of
Hmm.
what
Yeah.
we are
Correct.
doing?
Correct.
So let's not add help wanted because that would be
Hmm.
then would be like um since
Hmm.
we do not have like
Hmm.
clear picture of what
Enough.
how and how
Yeah.
we can
Yeah. Yeah.
add this thing. Let's not add this one. Okay.
Correct.
Um,
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
But priority wise, like this is on low as of now. Like we don't.
Yeah. 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 I agree with that.
Okay. There are a couple
Uh,
more. I just keep few things like these are just
Come.
another
Okay.
thing.
Let's.
Um, okay. Just a quick time check. We are like maybe 4 to 5 minutes remaining. Okay. I don't know if we can check
Yeah.
another one. Maybe check if we have this one. Audit log info, empty content to pass error. Okay.
It's
Do
called
we
the
have any
panic
discussion
exception.
around this
Okay.
one? Okay, that is different one. Sure, the auditing the user lookup
Empty
to.
content leads to pass error. Leads to panic. Auditing of user lookup led to
Hmm.
enable
No,
auditing. Okay, and install
render
fluent bit.
component,
Okay,
increase the replica.
increase the replicas.
Oh, again,
Okay,
this is something that we haven't tried,
related to.
right? Yeah, so it is
Hmm.
related to
Anyway, this is
another
something
issue.
we are trying.
Yeah, we're trying. Okay.
Hmm. Download
I'll
given
just
an attempt.
I'll just
Okay.
comment that since we're trying this trying to increase
Yeah.
replicas, if we see this error there, if I like see this error, maybe
Mm-hmm.
at this one. I think I
Mm-hmm.
I kind of remember I'm seeing such kind of error there. I have somewhat like had a like fix for it, like I have the quick workaround for this one. But again,
Okay.
we need to fix for that one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I
Yeah.
think
Yeah,
I
maybe
remember.
associated to that error. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember. I have seen that this error actually. Yeah, and when I
Okay,
like
okay,
when I was
okay.
testing with this thing, relay replicas, I got this error on the UID, and it's basically
Okay,
something
okay.
in user account. Yeah, I guess I know this error. So
Okay, so we are, I guess we're on top
um,
of it. So maybe yeah, associated with the issue that you're working on, I guess as
correct,
part
correct.
of that, hopefully this also should
Uh,
get fixed. But
yeah,
yeah, mm-hmm. Makes sense.
we have that issue number. Mm, Is it in this one?
Yeah.
To
Mm-hmm.
this?
Mm-hmm.
But I remember I have seen that one. I'll just remove this thing. Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe, yeah, as part of
it's
that
I guess.
issue, I'll just address that one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then,
Just you can recheck.
I think we
Okay.
have like
I
17, 22 to 7, like maybe, yeah, we have tried five issues today. Okay, that's a good progress.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Mm,
yeah, yeah. Let's
mm,
continue.
yeah, I'll just update it up. Anything else that you would like to add? But like we are just might.
Not for today's call. I don't think there's anything else.
Yeah.
That I
Okay then.
wanted to add. Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
good.
if there is nothing, thanks for joining, Miro. I think we can conclude the
Cool.
call.
Thank you,
Thank
Akshay.
you. See you next
Yep.
time.
Thank you, Akshay.
Bye.
See you. Bye.